but I think I might hop into this.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, see, they already ripping up. Very unfortunate. Yeah. That sucks. Whatever. Okay, so I'm looking to go short.
Order submitted.
Order in this time. Hope we can capitalize off this one. I'll put it in right now. This one is a little iffy, to be honest. To be real with you guys, a little iffy on this one. One might be, you know, because we might be looking to push higher. To be completely honest. Alright guys, welcome back to my 4th day of me trying to day trade on my Topstep account with Ninja Trader. So as you guys do see here that we are in a continuous downtrend. I like this might be flattening out a little bit, so maybe might be looking for some longs, but downtrend as of right now. So we're gonna be mindful with the shorts and keep it with shorts for right now, and hopefully that's something that plays out. But yeah, so it's just really choppy right now, and it's just way too early to take that trade. But I'm still gonna be looking for a potential opportunity to even take a trade. So yeah, I'll just be back when something starts to finally occur. All right, and so we are back. So right now it's looking like second entry long might be playing out relatively soon. So just against the pushes up against the EMA, goes through the EMA. And now it's like kind of being supported. I know that it did break through a little bit, a couple times through the EMA, but for the most part, like there's a lot of buying right here. So I'm thinking I might potentially want to go along after
order submitted.
After this candle, like look at that, still like printing right after or printing above the EMA. I don't know if I want to move this right like this though. I think that might be a little bit better of a trend line to draw out, something like that. So a bit higher here, and I'd say like this is the first entry to go long, and it did swing down here, and I do kind of want to classify this as the second entry to go long. Setup is not looking too great, but I think this might actually classify as the second entry long. I'm not necessarily liking it too much. I'm not entirely too confident, to be completely honest. They are battling though, so I don't know. Yeah, I think this is where it might start pumping up now. Yeah, I might try and get into this. I'd always prefer to go back down. Yes, yeah, so cancel this order. I think it just played out. It just played out, so now I gotta cancel that. Let me just, I mean, the enter would be like right here, really. I mean, maybe it didn't play out yet, actually. I can go in with a limit. But yeah, okay, now yeah, we're for sure done with that one. So that was that second entry. Just wasn't too confident about that. That didn't look too pretty. So I entered off of right here. It's the 2 points I was looking for. Basically, if it comes back down like here, then I might enter on that trade. But it's basically already hitting my target profit. So got to scrap that one. Unfortunately, like I said, I just wasn't too confident about that one, but I'd be fully confident and taking a pretty good trade rather than me being like somewhat confident and taking an L in that trade. So glad to see it worked out, but it is what it is. Okay, so we are back, and so I see a potential opportunity to go for a long after this candle, to be honest, like right here. But I think we are in a bearish trend temporarily. I'm not sure if we're going to stay this way the entire time, and then maybe might revert back to a bullish trend, but we are for sure in a downtrend. See, like I would have entered right there, but I don't like this one because two big downward candles. It's not really pretty at all. My trend line, it's not even, like, I'm not even drawing in the trend line right now. It's under the EMA. It doesn't make sense to go long, but this will be technically the second entry long. First entry is right here, goes up, pumps up a little bit, comes back down, even makes a lower low. So now I think it's telling me like that it's time to go short now. So it makes a lower low, and then now we're under the EMA and it's pushing down even further down. So obviously if I was in that trade, it would insert right here, stop loss right there, like a tick underneath this swing right here, and super close again, stopped out. So I'm thinking that we're going to be switching to looking for shorts now. So yeah, see what I got stopped out. So very glad I didn't take that trade, because like trend line, we're not even in the trend line that I drew out, and we're also under the EMA. So like I said, it just did not make sense to take that long, even though this is a second entry to go long. So yeah, you just gotta be mindful of like of this stuff. You can't just jump it. You can't wait, or you just gotta wait. You just gotta wait, and all these setups do occur. But I think now we're looking for a downward trend. So I think it might be coming down. It's like this end of the day, or not end of the day, but low of the day. And yeah, see, it's pumping down. Oh my god. So, and now that's when we're gonna try to get here, and then maybe might bounce off this line I drew out earlier. Once again, I'm not too sure. Maybe might break through it. Not too sure. So I think maybe I can draw a better channel, something like this maybe. Get rid of these. Looks pretty decent. Yeah, it's okay for right now, but now I gotta look for the shorts. So yeah, I'll be right back when something forms. So we are in a continuous downtrend, as you guys can see right here, and drew out the little trend lines completely under the EMA. So you know we're going to be going short. So been looking for some shorts. We do get a couple of first entries, but no second entries, unfortunately. So can't take those trades, so it sucks, but it is a-okay. The only thing now that I am a little bit concerned of is that we did go past this low. So now I'm thinking that we might be reversing, or still might make lower lows. So right now I'm a little confused. So I gotta figure out what is going on, because price action is a little right now. So I gotta figure out what is going on right now. So might not be able to trade for a bit, or this might be a no trading day once again, unfortunately. So I want the setups to occur. I want to see what's going on before I just go right into the trade. So, and I don't see anything that has occurred other than that one trade, but didn't take it because I don't know. But yeah, this one right here, I got to figure out what is going on, because let's say they want to make lows, more lows, and we're too far away from the EMA. And yeah, so I'll just be back with like more updates or something like that. I'm just bringing it back really quickly. So this is the ES, so you know, the bigger leagues. So as you can see here, that continuous trend, downtrend. And I was looking at it earlier before this all played out. I was looking to see that there was any like first entries, second entries, and I was genuinely considering it, because I see, like I said, nothing occurring on MES. So I was genuinely looking. And so we had that first entry to go short right here, and then we had a second one right here. And so obviously I had my swing right here at the top of this, but obviously a tick higher, so it almost would have gotten taken out. However, to go a tick above, it just doesn't hit the top stop loss, which barely by tick, and it just continues to keep going down. I was thinking about taking that, but I was like I said, I want to trade the ES or the MES for another week or so, become a little bit more confident, and then for sure move over, because I'm starting to see some things, as you guys do see, but I want more confidence. I want to get more practice and more reps in on the cheaper one. But I did see this, but I was like, I probably shouldn't, because it's not a good idea. It's not the smartest idea to do as of right now. So now I feel like we actually might start to be ranging. I feel like it's gonna get like pretty indecisive, so we might be like ranging and whatnot. But we'll be back when something does occur. So this is the aftermath of everything. So we just completely just dumped right under the EMA, So I mean, I just really can't take a trade right now because we're too far from EMA, and I just don't understand what's going on. But switching to the ES, I am liking this a lot more better. I can see things a lot clearer, but I'm just not ready to trade this yet, and it's quite unfortunate. But I'm not gonna just go right into it because I don't think I'm ready. I don't think I should take it. Nothing on the on the MES is making sense as of right now. So I'm very, very, very tempted to hop on ES and try and take a trade there. But if that's the case, going on one contract and it goes against me, then that's roughly all the profits that I've made this week. So I don't know, all the profits I made this week are even more, but who knows, might even make the money though. But I don't know, I don't want to risk that as of right now. Still want to be on MES for a little bit and hopefully can get something to form, something to work. But it's not looking too pretty right now. It's not looking too pretty right now. But yeah, and I said I thought I was ranging earlier. It's not ranging at all. Maybe now, since we have like these double bottoms. But genuinely, I have no idea what is going on. All right, so finally we are touching the EMA once again. So this is very nice. So I think it's time to start going bullish again. So let's make that extreme low. So now I think it's pretty safe to say like it's going long now. But obviously you do not know until later on, after all these candles already do prints out. I feel like I should probably get rid of this, but also I think I'm gonna be mindful of this just in case, because like just to remind you, like this was the low, but like until it passes this again, like going higher, then it's just get rid of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep that for right now. But so yeah, we are looking for some longs now, which I'm happy about. So but yeah, it's looking pretty bullish right now. But I will be back when something just happens. Just nothing much as of right now is occurring. So okay, so I did draw my trend lines a little bit better, I think, and I actually think this might have been the range to trade. And now that we actually truly did make that extreme low, so I think now we might be in the correction phase potentially. So yeah, I was gonna take a long off this right here. We broke past this trend line, made this extreme low, so now I'm expecting for a correction to be happening sometime soon. I don't know if this this consists of like a first entry. Like I don't know, this would be like the first entry long right here. I don't think so, just because like 8 passes lower low. So I think I don't know, to be honest. I'm gonna keep it real. This could either be a first entry right here, or it could be just completely nullified. I'm not gonna take the second entry that, you know, or quote unquote second entry that I do see, just because I'm not too sure with the setup right here. That's not my cursing. If I'm starting to see like more buyers step in, then I might actually put a buy order in for a long off the second entry. But if there's not like really much buyers that I'm seeing, then I probably won't enter into that trade at all. So I'm assuming the second entry will actually be from after this candlestick right here, actually. So if it was a wick past this little wick right there, then the second entry would occur. Like I don't know like if this nullifies it. I do kind of want to go in though. I think I might take this trade. It is underneath the EMA, which is not obviously the best situation circumstances, but I think I might hop into this.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, see, they're already ripping up. Very unfortunate. Yeah. That sucks. Whatever. Yep. Okay. So it does stay true. Okay, great to know. See,
Order canceled.
See, this is why you gotta get your reps in. Now, okay. So it still constitutes as a second entry long. That's cool. Well, see, I would have never known that just watching videos. You guys had to get into the game and experience it yourself. So that obviously would have worked. Let me grab it really real quick. Check this out. here, yeah, we would have been out of there. That would have been a beautiful, beautiful move. But like I said, I wasn't trusting the process once again. So very glad to see that it did play out, but that just sucks. I genuinely think that like that entry, that second entry might not work, but as you see, it did work. So just gotta wait for another setup. But once again, that suck a lot, but it is what it is. So hopefully we can get some longs going now. Hopefully this reversal does happen, get some longs going, and be able to start spotting these. Okay, so I'm looking to go short. I'm thinking another 2 more candles might print out after this one, or after this low right here, it might be time to go short. So let me
Order submitted.
order in this time. Hopefully we can capitalize off this one. I'll put it in right now. This one is a little iffy, to be honest. To be real with you guys, a little iffy on this one. This one might be an L because we might be looking to push higher, to be completely honest. Yeah, that's how we got a trap right here.
Target filled.
Let's go, guys. See, I knew I could have after I did that little line right there, I knew I could have targeted a little bit more profits, but that was very iffy. Oh my lord. But I'm very glad that just worked out right there, and it just wicked on down. You saw it fill one contract, and I was like, you gonna fill the other one? And then it just happened to fill the other one. Very, very happy about that. I'm very happy that it played out. I'm very glad I was able to see that. So let me tell you guys what I did see in this trade and why I did take that trade now. So lower low right here, and then so we make this first entry short right here, obviously fails, comes back higher here, and then when I entered, that was the second entry short, and that was what, I think right here, something like that. I kind of forgot, to be honest. I think it was like right here. So the second entry occurred right here. So then I hopped into that trade, and as you guys did see, I almost got stopped out. That was very, very scary, I'm not gonna lie. But that's why you have like your stop loss above the swing, and plus another tick above, just in case you know we won't get wicked out. I mean, if I got stopped out right there and then just went the way that it went to the shorts, then I mean, it is what it is. It did play out what I was assuming, but obviously it would have got stopped out. But that's why you go above the swing and tick above, and then just target like either what your target profit is, or do like that little just do what I did, how like I just kind of measured out like how long I should be able to like be okay to play the trade, because I was thinking about moving the my target profit down a little bit towards like where the that line was at, where I drew it out. But I wasn't really, I don't know, that trade was just very iffy. I want to get out so bad earlier, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Especially when it was like very close, and when it hit like a dollar, or not $1.50, but like a .50, I was like, I kind of want to close out on this trade, but I know that's not a great idea. Sometimes it might be good, but it depends on the situations, right? Like sometimes it might be a good idea to like close out just in case like you think it might like straight up or just reverse on you, but sometimes you just have to let it just play out no matter which way it goes. Like you just should own up to it and just let that be it. Take the L or take the W on it. So, and that's why I'm trying to be more like that. I just gotta just trust the process, and obviously if it goes against me, then it just is what it is. But if it goes in my favor like it just did right now, then you know, like I would have missed out on some extra profits, right? So I'm very glad I didn't get out of my trade a little bit earlier, because I genuinely was scared, and I was like, I kind of went out. So But so that was my thought process of why I did take that trade. So low, first entry, second entry, and then target profit hit. So we'll be back with another trade, hopefully, potentially, if something does occur. This is very extended in my eyes. I was also a little scared to take the trade because, like I said, it's just a little extended. I am hoping for a reversal, so I'll be a little bit more confident with that. But you know, I'll take what I can get in the market. I can't complain. So be right back. So we are back after some time. So the market has not really been doing too much. However, now it's starting to pump up. Looks like we actually might be able to play some longs. If that's the case, that's amazing. I've already taken my trade. I'm already pretty happy with the day, but looking to go long now since we just ripped through the EMA. Hopefully the EMA can support now. If the EMA can support this, then I think it's a good indicator that we are going long for sure. But I'm getting close to the time where I kind of do want to stop trading, so I don't know if I might still look for this long and then just be completely done, or I might just be done just right now, depending on how long this long potentially that I'm looking for could take. I might take it, but I don't really know how long this might take. So but yeah, so I'm looking for some longs right now for sure. Well, I gotta see if the EMA holds first, because I thought so too right here. Even though it's not really the best to assume to go long, but I was just hoping that we start going long because I said it's pretty overextended. And we did go above the EMA and then instantly back underneath it and being held by it and whatnot. So we gotta see these candlesticks retest the EMA, and if it reaches the EMA and the EMA, it bounces off EMA and keeps going back up, uptrend baby, uptrend. And I'll be looking to take a trade going to take a long, but I'll be back with more updates though. All right, and so I'm back with an update. And so as you guys will see, pushed high, way high above the EMA, and we come back down to retest it, looking pretty good, and it just goes right past it. So I'm not really entirely too sure what I'm looking at as of right now, to be quite honest. I'm thinking that it might just make another more lower lows, but I'm gonna be watching this for a little bit longer just so I can see what's going on. I wonder if the EMA is gonna start rejecting. I wonder if it's gonna start rejecting against the EMA. That's what I'm meant to say. But I'm still hoping for the longs. But I'm gonna be vigilant for a little bit longer, because I was hoping that this was gonna be rejecting off the EMA, but I guess not. So we'll just have to see what's going on right here now, because I was looking for that first entry long. And it still has not played out yet, which is unfortunate, but now we're under the EMA, so it's making me think like we might be going back to shorting again. But I don't know. I do want to go long, so I'm gonna have the longs in mind, but I'm also going to be looking for some, I guess, short opportunities now, just because that we are under the EMA. So just yeah, so I don't this is interesting, but I might just be done very soon. But I just want to see how this plays out. And yeah, all right, so we're done trading. I'm not seeing anything as of right now. Like, pushed up, pushed below, and going above again. All right, you guys win. I'm done for the day. So that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna overtrade and try and force a trade, right? So I don't see it, and like I said, I would have been done trading like 20 minutes ago, roughly. So yeah, so we're just done trading, and the shorts might still come in, but we're done with that. We're done with that. So overall, pretty good day. 1-0 on the day. It would have been 2-0 on the day if that one trade earlier would have if I would have gotten on that one trade earlier. But it is what it is. It happens. But yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I will be linking down in the bottom the beginning of the day trading. If you guys have not seen the first day of me day trading, I do recommend you guys check it out. And yeah, until next video, I hope you guys take it easy and have a great rest of your day. Oh, also as well, I hope you guys' trading day was as pretty good as mine, if not hopefully better than mine. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take it easy now.